Black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans, delightful native wildflowers for your garden. Black-eyed Susans and brown-eyed Susans are beloved native wildflowers known for their bright, cheerful blooms and resilient nature. These hardy perennials are popular among gardeners seeking to add a touch of natural beauty to their outdoor spaces. Let's explore these captivating plants' characteristics, growing zones, planting, care, and maintenance. Colors and appearance. Both black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans feature daisy-like flowers with a dark central cone surrounded by colorful rays. Black-eyed Susan's Rudbeckia hirta has bright yellow to orange petals with a dark brown or black center. In contrast, brown-eyed Susan's Rudbeckia triloba have yellow petals with a brown center. The leaves of these plants are lance-shaped, often with a rough, hairy texture. Mature plants can reach heights of 2 to 3 feet, depending on the variety. Growing zones and environmental conditions. Black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans are native to North America and thrive in USDA plant hardiness zones 3 to 9. These resilient perennials prefer well-draining soil with a pH of 6.0 to 7.0. While they can tolerate partial shade, they grow best in full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of direct sunlight daily. Latin names. The Rudbeckia genus, including black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans, contains several species and cultivars. Some of the most commonly grown varieties are Rudbeckia hirta black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia triloba brown-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia fulgida goldstem black-eyed Susan. Pollinators they attract. Black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans are magnets for pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and even hummingbirds. They provide a rich source of nectar and pollen, making them a valuable addition to a pollinator-friendly garden. When to plant? The best time to plant black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans is in the spring or early fall, allowing the plants to establish a robust root system before the summer heat or winter cold. Planting, care, and maintenance. Prepare the planting site by loosening the soil to a depth of 12 to 15 inches and incorporating compost or other organic matter to improve drainage and fertility. Space plants 18 to 24 inches apart to ensure adequate air circulation and room for growth. Water regularly during the first growing season to help the plants establish a deep root system. Once established, these perennials are drought tolerant and require minimal watering. Apply a layer of mulch around the plants to help conserve moisture and suppress weeds. Deadhead spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming and maintain a neat appearance. Fertilize with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring to support robust growth and flowering. Divide mature plants every 3 to 4 years in the spring or fall to maintain vigor and promote healthy growth. Black-eyed and brown-eyed Susans are a delightful addition to any garden, offering a cheerful display of color and a valuable resource for local pollinator populations. By following the planting and care guidelines outlined above, you can create a thriving, eye-catching display in your garden that lasts many years. These charming native plants bring beauty, color, and helpful pollinators to your yard.